Okay, we back with another video. Alright, you see we got the chickens. There's 10. There's 10. Now you're going to want to keep your heat lamp on. Chicken prepping 101. And here are the pine shavings, right? For the bottom. You see we got the storage bins. They're inside of this cage to keep away from the rest of the animals right now. In about 2 to 3 weeks, they'll be ready to go outside. These chicken feeders you want to get for when they get bigger. But right now, I have a lid with the water in it. Okay, and this is your electrolytes that you're gonna mix in your water. And mix those electrolytes in your water. See, I have another small bowl for the feed, and they're eating right now. So I'm gonna be walking you guys through the steps. And this is just pine shavings. Small tote. You want to get those to get ready for your next prepping stages. This for your water. Now your food, right? You want to get medicated at first. Medicated at first. Alright. You want to get it medicated so that there can be a deworming process. Alright. And this is it, man, until my next step. So I'm just sharing with y'all my steps. Salutes to everybody. Much love and respect. And they'll go outside in about 3 weeks. So I have another video for y'all soon. Salute.